Hi guys! Today we'll learn how to add a page break in Google Docs. First, open the Google Docs app on your phone. Once it opens, you'll see all your documents listed on the home screen. Now select the document where you want to add a new page. Tapping it will open the document and make it ready for editing. After opening the document, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see a pencil icon. Tap on this pencil icon to enter editing mode so you can add content or insert elements like page breaks. Once in editing mode, look at the top right corner for the plus icon. Tap it, and you'll see a menu of different options you can insert into your document, like images, tables, and more. In the Insert menu, scroll down until you find the Page Break option. Tap on Page Break, and a new page will be added right where your cursor is. This makes it easy to separate sections of your document neatly. And that's it. Now you know how to add a page break in Google Docs on mobile. It's a simple trick that keeps your documents clean and well organized. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. And comment below if you want more tips for Google Docs or other apps.